How to integrate your LG TV into the Apple HomeKit. With the Apple Home app, you can easily and securely control your HomeKit-compatible accessories, such as lighting, thermostats, door locks, security cameras, and more, including your LG TV, all from your Apple iOS devices or with Siri's HomeKit commands. With your LG TV and the Apple HomeKit, you'll be able to connect and control certain functions through the Apple ecosystem. Let's start with the Smart Home dashboard on your LG TV. Grab your Magic Motion remote, press the Home button, and select the Smart Home dashboard icon in the menu. The TV's Smart Home dashboard can show all your connected devices in one place, where you can select the one you want to use, change the settings, and more by clicking on the device. Now we'll show you how to add your LG TV to the Apple HomeKit. From the Home dashboard, choose AirPlay, then AirPlay and HomeKit settings. Next, choose Setup HomeKit. A QR code should appear on the TV. Now grab your iPhone, open the Apple Home app, select Add Accessory, and then scan the QR code displayed on the TV. Then select a location for the device. Once these steps are complete, your LG TV will show in the Apple Home app. This will allow you to control your TV through Siri or through the creation of groupings of devices, called scenes, in the Apple HomeKit. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.